Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you again. In this tutorial, we will talk about adding a page to the notification. This is required when you do not want users to open application on their handheld device, but at the same time, you want to provide more information. You can add one or more pages to the notification on the wearable. Open Android Studio and open the project on which we worked last. Go to the Wear module and under the Wear module, open the main activity which is right under the package. Open it. In the main activity.java, open the notify me method. This is the method on which we worked last. Let's proceed with this method. Look for the builder object. Let's press enter here. Select the builder object, right click, go to refactor and go to rename. Rename it to first builder. So it will be renamed to first builder. Now the next thing which we need to do is to copy the code for the first builder and right here let's paste it and let's call it second builder. Go to refactor, rename, let's call it second builder. Change the page to 2 and change the content to 2. The next thing which we need to do is to rename this notification. Go to refactor, rename, let's call it first notification, and in the similar way let's copy it and paste it right here and let's call it second notification, and right here let's say second builder dot build. Save it. Let's comment this line for the time being. We'll come back to this. Now after creating the second notification, let's say notification. So we are going to create another notification. Let's call it extended notification is equal to. So now we'll take help from the first builder. So we need to say first builder dot extend. So we are extending the first builder, and in the extend we need to say new notification compat and say dot wearable extender dot add page, and right here inside the add page we need to pass the second notification which is right here. Pass it, and outside the bracket say dot build. Now build method returns us the object of notification. So what we have done here is we have taken the help from the first builder which is right here. We are using the method extend, so we are extending the first builder. Inside the method we are passing the notification compat dot wearable extender dot add page as a parameter, and further the parameter for the add page is second notification which is right here, and outside we are saying dot build which is returning us the object of the notification. So we have created extended notification here. So in the last line uncomment it, and rather than passing first notification here, let's pass the extended notification. Save it. We can simplify this piece of code as well. So what we need to do is right here we need to say notification compat dot wearable extender, and we need to say wearable extender is equal to new notification compat dot wearable extender. Now in the next line we can say wearable extender dot add page which is right here, and we can say second notification which is right here, and further we can pass the object of wearable extender right here like this. One more thing on which we need to pay attention is that the code corresponding to wearable extender is for wearable devices only. That means the code corresponding to wearable extender will run on the wearable devices. So second notification will appear only on the wearable device. It will not appear on the mobile device. One more important thing is about this particular line. We copied this line from the first builder while creating the second builder. This line is actually not required. I copied this line intentionally to explain an important concept. So if we keep this line of code, it will impact the functionality when we run the application on the cell phone device and sync the notifications with the wearable. On wearable, when we get open on phone button, clicking the button will not open the pending intent on the cell phone device. So we need to remove this line. We need to keep it with the first builder only. So let's remove it. Now let's make the similar kind of changes in the mobile module. Let's do it quickly. Now let's run our program. Let's see the output. Here is the output on 3 different AVDs. Let's try it on the mobile AVD. Let's click here. It will give us a notification. Let's pull it down. You can see title on page 1 and contents on page 1. Let's click on it. The moment you click on it, it will show you the details of the notification. It is not showing you any contents of page 2. Now let's try it on the wearable. Let's click here. Let's drag it to the right. We will get one notification. Now let's drag the notification to the left. We will get title on the page 2 and contents on page 2. Now let's drag it further to the left. We will get the button for open, and if we click on open, it will give us the details of the notification. Let's try the same thing here. Click on notify me. Drag it to the right. We will get a notification. Drag it to the left. We'll get page 2. Drag it to the left. We'll get button for open. Click on it and we will get the details of notification. We can also check it here. If we drag it to the left or to the right, we will not get any page 2. Now let's install the mobile module on the real cell phone device and see the synced notifications on the Android Wear emulator. Let's do it. Here is output on the cell phone device, and in the background you can see the emulator running. Let's click on the notify me button on the cell phone. The moment we click on the notify me button, you can see one notification appearing on the emulator. There is also one notification appearing on the cell phone device as well. Let's drag the notification on the emulator to the left. It will show you page 2. Let's drag it further to the left. Now it will show open on phone. The reason it is showing open on phone because we are syncing the notifications between cell phone device and the emulator. Let's click on open on phone. The moment we click it, it will open the notification details on the cell phone itself. Friends, with this I take your leave. Thank you so much. Please like our page on facebook.com/letsandroid. If you have any query, do write us at info@schoolsteps.in or schoolstepsin@gmail.com. Thank you.